Hello, hello! Module 1 is officially live in the Coping Skills Crash Course. So I'm just going to walk through a little bit about what's in this module and what you can expect. So remember that the welcome, here's the plan is right here, talking about the plan for the upgrades that are coming. If you haven't already, start here with the welcome section. This goes over the mini disclaimer that this is guided self-help. It is not psychotherapy. It does not mean that I am your therapist, even though I am a mental health therapist. This is not a therapy-client relationship. If you're having any tech problems, check out this cheat sheet first and walk through those steps. And if at any point you have feedback or any sort of response or want more information or have an idea for a lesson or a future bonus or upgrade, please fill that out here in the So What Do You Think? If you haven't already, you definitely want to check out Module 0, which is the foundational module of Let's Get This Party Started. Got some gentle reminders, bio breaks, and wouldn't it be nice? That wouldn't it be nice exercise is going to help you walk through the rest of the lessons. Okay, so Module 1, you've got a video on what are coping skills. So this is just a short little video. I'm going to hit start so you can see as we go through. There's 3 lessons here. What are coping skills? How to tell if coping skills are working, and the 4 types of coping skills that you need to survive problematic thoughts, urges, and emotions. So it might autoplay, so I apologize if it starts. Oh, it did. Okay, so in the first lesson, there's just a video here. There's no extra bonus worksheet. I am going to go back and add something for this later. But I'm not sure if I'm going to do like a quiz or if it's going to be more of like a fill in the blank sort of a thing, just to kind of drill in what coping skills are and are not. Then the second lesson, it's a little bit longer because I'm going to be walking you through the worksheet. Okay, so as you can see, this is very meta because I'm doing a screen recording loom share of a screen recording loom share. So this is me walking through this worksheet and how to use it to your benefit. So you don't necessarily need to use the worksheet. I think it's helpful to use if you learn more by like writing and documenting. Plus it helps, if you forget things, but the worksheet is right down here. And then if you wanted to download it, you can click here and it'll print out. And then the third lesson, these go over the 4 different types of coping skills that you need to survive problematic thoughts, urges, and emotions. So I talk through all of this. And then there's a little cheat sheet about when to use these. So again, you can click this button here for that worksheet, or you can like view it there too. I highly, 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 highly recommend referencing that worksheet in the future if you're not sure like which coping skill to use or strategy in a situation. And then in the next module, we'll be going over the actual breakdown of each coping skill within the different types of coping skills. So that will be coming soon. I can't wait to see you guys. And remember, if you have not signed up yet for the Coping Skills Crash Course, you still can. Send this to your friends. Send this to anybody who you think it could be useful for. And I will see you in the next module. Have a great day. Thank you.